Hello guys, starting a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a air pump for an aquarium. So the materials that we are going to use are DC motor, this metal here. I took it from a compass. This plastic piece I took it from a water dispenser. You're going to need this metal wire. I'm going to use this because when this motor is here it will touch the ground, so I don't want this, so I'm going to put this motor above this. So, and this tube cap, I took it from a tube, a pipe, and a balloon I already cut it, and this plastic piece, and silicone glue, of course, and rubber band. So let's start. First thing, we are going to measure here to see so I'm going to glue this here, then this piece here, like this. Let me make the hole pretty quick. Okay, like this. Then let it dry. So I will let it dry and I will be back. So guys, it's already glued. So what I'm going to do now is place this balloon here, then I'm going to place this one above it. Let me make sure you center this plastic part So I changed the motor because this motor that I was using is 12-volt motor, doesn't have enough power to power this pump, so I ended up changing it for another 12-volt motor with these pulleys. So I fixed a wood here because this was wobbling, so I changed the wood, put a wood down here. I fixed the motor with some metal wires, and I made this drive here. I glued a small paint tube here, and I will place the tube right now. So let's test it. It makes a bit of noise. As you can see, it works. Let me take the water filter. Okay, it works, as you can see. So I hope you enjoyed. Please leave your like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the future